Have you ever wondered what powers the cutting-edge technology in Tesla's electric vehicles? From autopilot to infotainment systems, these cars are packed with advanced computing power. But where does this power come from? Today, we're diving deep into the question, does Tesla buy Nvidia chips? To understand this, we need to look at the roles of both Tesla and Nvidia in the tech world. Tesla, of course, is a revolutionary automaker known for its electric vehicles and innovative approach to transportation. Nvidia, on the other hand, is a global technology company specializing in graphics processing units, GPUs. These GPUs are the workhorses of modern computing, handling tasks like rendering graphics, video processing, and artificial intelligence. The connection. So, how do these two companies connect? Well, it turns out that Tesla and Nvidia have been working together for quite some time. Tesla's vehicles are equipped with Nvidia's Drive PX platform, which is a powerful computing system designed specifically for autonomous driving. This platform relies on multiple Nvidia GPUs to process vast amounts of data from sensors like cameras, radar, and LiDAR. The chips, but are these GPUs the same ones you'd find in a gaming PC? Not exactly. While Nvidia does produce GPUs for gaming, the chips used in Tesla's vehicles are specifically designed for automotive applications. They need to be more reliable, more durable, and able to withstand the harsh conditions of a car's environment. The benefits. So, why does Tesla choose Nvidia chips? There are several reasons. First, Nvidia has a long history of innovation in GPU technology. Their chips are known for their performance and efficiency. Second, Nvidia's Drive PX platform offers a comprehensive solution for autonomous driving, including software and hardware. This makes it easier for Tesla to develop and deploy self-driving capabilities. The partnership between Tesla and Nvidia has been mutually beneficial. For Tesla, it provides access to cutting-edge technology that is essential for their autonomous driving ambitions. For Nvidia, it gives them a high-profile customer in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market. The future, as the demand for autonomous vehicles continues to grow, we can expect the relationship between Tesla and Nvidia to strengthen. It's likely that we'll see even more advanced AI capabilities and features in future Tesla models, powered by Nvidia's GPUs. So, to answer the question, does Tesla buy Nvidia chips? Yes, they do. Nvidia's GPUs play a crucial role in powering Tesla's autonomous driving systems and other advanced features. The partnership between these two companies is a testament to the power of innovation and collaboration in the tech industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.